This SAT question is very chill.
If x plus a over 8 is equal to x minus a over 7, find a in terms of x. To expand this proportion, what we should do is cross multiply, so that's exactly what we're going to do. 7 times x plus a is equal to 8 times x minus a. Now we just solve, so first I have to distribute. 7 times x is 7x, 7 times a is positive 7a. Distribute the side 2, 8 times x is ax, and 8 times negative a is negative 8a. And the question asks, find a in terms of x. All I have to do is isolate a. So I'm going to first add 8a on both sides. That would give me 7x plus 15a is equal to 8x. Now I subtract 7x on both sides, which would give me 15a is equal to 1x. And all I have to do now is divide both sides by 15 to isolate the variable, which would give me a is equal to x over 15.
Great, yeah, I thought she did a really good job of explaining that. So there's a couple concepts in one there. The first is cross multiplication, obviously, but then you also had distribution. And then we also had negative numbers as well, which that's honestly where a lot of students are gonna get tripped up and get the answer wrong, is even if you do the cross multiplication correctly, even if you do the distribution correctly, it's called a sign change. When you have a number that's supposed to be negative and you accidentally make it positive, or you have a positive number and you accidentally make it negative. And yeah, that's how students get problems wrong in the SAT all the time. How students get problems wrong in math class, like their math homework, math tests all the time too. Just a little sign change and your answer is completely wrong. So this is a good question. And you know, like she said, chill math problem. It is relatively chill. Those aren't super complicated concepts, cross multiplication or distribution or negative numbers. But if you are having trouble with any of those are easily taught. Proportion problems test discipline and organization as much as they test algebraic knowledge. And students who keep their work neat and check their signs avoid the majority of errors. And you obviously can't speak during the SAT test. So, you know, I thought it was really great that she was verbalizing each step out loud, but you can sort of verbalize each step mentally too. You know, in a multi-step problem like this, sort of say the steps in your mind and it'll help you sort of stay on track and make sure you get the right answer. Follow for more SAT math breakdowns that show you where careless errors happen and how to avoid them.